Shalom. First and foremost, like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, pushing His word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom to your Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson for In the News on September the 23rd, 2022, 5:09 p.m. Central Standard Time on this Friday. And this is a article from AMPCNN.com from the Wall Street Business Market. And this was published by David Goldman, CNN Business, updated at 4:16 p.m. Eastern Time, Friday, September 23rd, 2022. And a highlight of this news article for In the News for today, September 23rd, 2022, and it reads, Dow Jones plunges to its lowest level since 2020 to end another dismal week. It says the U.S. stocks fell sharply in Friday trading as investors continues to worry about even more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve that could land the U.S. economy in a recession. The Dow Jones Industrial closed at negative 483 points, or 1.6 points lower in Friday's trading, marking its lower levels since November 2020. The S&P 500, SPX, and the Nasdaq Composite were down 1.7 points and 1.8% respectively. The Dow Jones fell more than 800 points at one point and falling more than 20% from its record close of 36,799.65 on January 4th and entering a bear territory. The S&P 500 remains in bear territory. We are now in another downswinging in the ongoing bear market, as Brad McMillan, Chief Investment Officer for Commonwealth Financial Network. This year, there has been 4 drops and 3 rallies, and we are down quite a bit. That doesn't feel good. This is a fourth negative day in a row for the major index, and the fifth decline in the last 6 weeks. And he said investors don't have many places to make money at the moment in addition to sinking stocks. The bond market also sells off, sending the U.S. Treasury soaring to an 11-year high in recent days. The 10-year fell back a bit Friday, but remains nearly 3.7, and the 2-year is above 4.1. That's a much better return than you can get with stock these days. So high bond yields are adding pressure on the stock market. It says Wall Street remains concerned at the federal rate hike plan could continue to increase borrow costs, hurting the corporation's profits, supporting their stock prices, and the Fed is serious about slowing the economy down to gain control of runaway inflation. A recession could cause some real pain for consumers who buy the products that publicly trading companies make. The market sell-off continues to some time as stock valuations, if I pronounced it right, are compressed by the federal actions said Ivan Finstead, chief market strategist of Tigerdress Financial. Intelligent investors may not see a button until there's confirmation that inflation indicators turn significantly lower, he added. So, yeah. Now we once again in another phase of the stock market's crash once again, and showing more signs of the Federal Reserve is going to continue to increase the federal tax hike rate to ease the inflation as they continue to do on and so forth with that. Even if even if they put in a position to slow down the economy even more, as a potential recession is coming, and we're seeing signs of that. You know, even if they put the recession into, even if they put the economy into a recession, they willing to do that and put the economy in jeopardy to for hyperinflation to lower it down, which is not gonna happen anytime soon as the hyperinflation continues to goes up and the cost of living of everything goes up as well too, you know. So with that, you know, I just want to bring out this little quick sit down lesson through the spirit, power, grace, and mercy of Yahweh Yahushua on this Friday, September 23rd, 2022. So yeah, as I was mentioning before, I did a sit down lesson in doing this news article. Once again, another week crash of the market of the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the composite all fell. And this been the worst. Dow Jones been the lowest since 2020 to end another dismal week. So expect to see this trend continues as the Federal Reserve once again continues to fight inflation rate, even if they cost them to enter a potential recession of the economy as well too, you know. So this shows more continuing signs of Babylon the Great is once again falling, you know, on the economic scale. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Rekar Kadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom and a ball.